From space-saving wonders to time-saving wonders, hidden gems are bound to make your kitchen adventures extraordinary. Sizer is a game-changer, designed to simplify your culinary adventures. It's your secret weapon for easy slicing, dicing, and more. Silicone bags, the unsung heroes of your kitchen, are your secret weapon for storing, cooking and preserving food with unparalleled convenience and durability. Introducing the butter spreader, your secret to easily spreading the perfect layer of butter on your favorite toast or freshly baked goods. Say goodbye to cracked bread and uneven spreads with this handy kitchen tool. Discover the ultimate smoothie blender, your best companion for staying healthy on the go. Whether you're at the office, hitting the gym, or traveling, this blender makes sure your smoothies are perfect. They are in the same era. This USB-C rechargeable personal blender is here to blend your favorite smoothies wherever life takes. Stainless steel garlic mincer and crusher with silicone peeler and brush, your secret weapon to easily add fresh garlic flavor to your dishes. Say goodbye to the tedious preparation of garlic and welcome the convenience of cooking. We introduce you to the perfect egg holder that not only provides a secure grip for boiling eggs, but also ensures they are evenly heated for that perfect, golden yolk every time. Introducing the handheld milk frother, your ticket to coffee shop quality lattes and creamy beverages right in your own kitchen. Watch as we unleash the magic of frothy perfection in every cup. Egg rings are the secret to perfect, evenly fried or poached eggs every time. Discover pure magic. If you enjoyed this video and found these kitchen gadget hacks helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment